Odoo 20 is here, and this time the focus is crystal clear: simple, efficient, and affordable. Let's walk through the biggest updates across every module, starting with payroll. The new dashboard gives you a complete overview the moment you open the app. You can see missing bank accounts, employees without contracts, outdated pay slips, everything that needs attention right up front with action buttons to fix them immediately. And here's a big one: work entries are gone. Payroll now pulls attendance and time off data directly, so you no longer need to generate and validate work entries before running payroll. The new pay runs feature gives you a clean, step-by-step flow: employees, time, then payslips, making the entire payroll process faster and less error-prone. Moving to point of sale, hardware setup has always been painful. In Odoo 20, POS can now discover printers and devices directly on your local network through the browser. No certificates to import, no complex configuration. Just allow the network access prompt and you're connected. Combo deals are now applied automatically. When a cashier adds items that match a combo, Odoo suggests it instantly, saving time and ensuring customers always get the best price. The floor plan editor gets a major upgrade too. You can now add oval and round tables, set background images, and customize the layout visually. Plus, a new snooze feature lets you temporarily hide unavailable products from the menu without deleting them. The mobile interface has been completely redesigned. Forms are now cleaner, fields are properly spaced, and the overall experience feels like a native app. If your team works on the go, this is a massive improvement. Odoo's AI is getting serious. Let's talk about what it can actually do now. In accounting, the AI audit agent runs through your entire treasury and finance checklist, flags anomalies, and gives you a clear summary, identifying issues like unreconciled bank transactions so your team knows exactly where to look. In the website builder, you can now chat with an AI assistant to update your pages. Tell it to make the title punchier, add a shape, or generate an athlete image. And it does it live. No code, no designer needed. For CRM and project management, AI can now create and update records based on your instructions. Reassign leads, create a full project from a PDF document, or search your database with natural language queries. And in Help Desk, the AI assistant can find solutions based on similar tickets, summarize conversations, and write follow-up answers, cutting resolution time significantly. Timesheets in Odoo 20 introduces a floating timer widget. You can start tracking time from anywhere in the app, describe your activity, link it to a project, and create the timesheet entry with one click. The new AI Assistant tab is even more powerful. It watches your activity, emails, meetings, documents, pull requests, and suggests timesheet entries automatically, grouped by project. You review and approve. That's it. Calendar has been completely powered up. You can now manage multiple calendars, create personal booking pages, see other people's availability, and sync your work location. Time detection in event titles is a subtle but brilliant touch. Type 11 a.m. meeting, and Odoo automatically places it at the right time. Activities are now visible directly inside the calendar view, so you never miss a scheduled follow-up. The Sign module now supports automated signature requests triggered by stage changes or automated actions. You can set dynamic and fixed signers, meaning the right people get the right documents at the right time, automatically. Sign is also expanding globally with support for ITSME authentication in 30-plus countries, font support for 40-plus new locales, and a fully redesigned mobile UI with touch support. You can now export all signature answers in bulk to a spreadsheet directly from the template, making compliance reporting much easier. Documents and Knowledge now support group-based sharing. Instead of inviting people one by one, you can share a folder with an entire department. The HR team, sales group, or any custom group gets access instantly. Accounting gets several powerful updates. You can now pay vendor invoices directly from Odoo. Batch them, send to your bank with a single signature, or download the SEPA file. No more exporting and re-uploading. Tax inclusion is now flexible at the document level. Define whether product prices are tax included or excluded, and switch dynamically on each invoice. Partners can now store multiple identification numbers: VAT, company registry, LEI, each with proper typing and validation. And reconciliation is no longer limited to receivable and payable accounts. Any account can now be reconciled with automatic adjustment entries,